What's up, guys? I'm so hungry. This is, I want this up here, but I think it's gonna spill, so it's gonna sit next to me. These are chicken and cheese chimichangas, just from the freezer section. I put green salsa on them, cheese and sour cream, and cilantro. Refried beans, made the sauce queen way, and some like microwavable Spanish rice. Let me know how you feel about this. Someone wanted the camera like looking down at the food. So let me know if you like this better. I need some tapatio. So if you ever want a freaking really nice, like super good, really expensive dinner in Boston, you need to go to Ocean Prime. That food was spectacular. It was my fiance's 30th birthday. On Friday, and I took him to Boston and we met up like with his friends and stuff. And we didn't do anything after. We literally ate, went back to the hotel and chilled. But that food was ridiculous. We got a steak. I don't know how big. This just turned into a mess on my plate. The steak was really good. We got the lobster tails. I didn't eat one because I was full by the time I had got to it. The black truffle mac and cheese. The garlic mashed potatoes. And like the thing about restaurants like that are you order like your meat or whatever and it doesn't come with any sides. So like on top of that, you have to order and like pay for sides, which really it's so expensive. It's like kind of ridiculous. Like all the sides are like $20, but like you have to get sides, you know? The garlic mash, the mushrooms were really good, and the Brussels sprouts. I tried to make it a surprise because he's never like been surprised in his life. But he said he had a feeling that I was gonna do that. Annoying. Excuse me. I only have one left. Look at how insane this ring is, you guys. I love it. TikTok is crazy, man. People be trying to tell me how I should and shouldn't eat, and how disgusting it is to eat and talk. Oh, and freaking shout out to you guys. I hit 2,000 subscribers. I'm gonna have to do something special for it. It's not even that I've like been really busy. I don't know. I just haven't gotten to filming. So I apologize for that, but I really appreciate all of you that have subscribed. Salsa verde chips, so good. Wow. Excuse me. Blue raspberry. These are 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 caffeine, and 0 sodium. I don't want this to end. Sorry, I'm kind of boring today. I got off work and I freaking rushed here to make this real quick and film a video. And I've just been thinking about food all day. I eat the same thing at work every day, and the break room is so disgusting. Like, it makes me not even want to eat in there. But I wake up at 5 because I work at 6. So my first break is around 8, and that's when I'll eat. And it's always 3 fried soft eggs. With cheese and green salsa or green Tabasco on top. So by the time I'm done with work, I'm starving. It's so weird. Like, I always thought the weather changed like rapidly in Utah. Like, one day it's cold, one day it's hot. In Connecticut, it's the same. I feel like it's even worse. But it seems that fall has arrived very quickly. I just rearranged my closet for access to all my fall stuff. I have to keep my summer stuff out. Or I guess I could pack already, but my sister's wedding is coming up in 1 month. And it's in Mexico, so I'll need like my bathing suits and all that summer stuff. I just want to lick this plate. Would you guys judge me? You know how I know that I'm greedy? When I watch Mukbang and someone gets something on their face and they don't lick it off, they use a napkin to wipe it off. I'm like, what are you doing? Like, ain't no way I'm doing that. I'm getting, excuse me, every last drop. You know what I mean? All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good week, and I will see you guys next time.